Welcome to your journey to discover the ultimate forestry machines. From super fast bark peelers to off-road logging tractors, each of our videos is a symphony of power and sophistication. Admire this amazing technology where durability and performance come together. Ready, set, and go. The perfect combination of people and machines is a clear testament to modern forestry. Skilled lumberjacks not only operate with precision, but also ensure each cut is optimized to increase productivity while minimizing environmental impact. This is a necessary efficiency, making an important contribution to maintaining sustainability and protecting natural resources for the future. On muddy terrain, two giant old trees with large diameters became a big challenge. However, thanks to the craftsmanship and modern equipment, each precise cut helps defeat these giants safely and effectively. Savannah Model 1720 stump tractor, C combined with John D. Bulldozer 1050, can pull pine stumps 20 to 28 inches long in Jay, Florida. This method helps process 25 acres per day, outperforming traditional excavation methods that can only haul 1 acre in 4 to 5 minutes, improving productivity and saving time. The sound of a chainsaw can be an energizing and powerful experience. For those who love forestry work or simply the sounds of powerful tools, the roar of chainsaws brings a feeling of excitement and power. Albach's portable wood chipper is one of the most impressive pieces of equipment in the wood chip industry, standing out for its versatility and outstanding performance. It is truly the ideal choice for forestry operations. Modern industry, when both efficiency and mobility are top priorities. Albach's portable wood chipper is one of the most impressive pieces of equipment in the wood chip industry, standing out for its versatility and outstanding performance. It is truly the ideal choice for forestry operations. Modern industry, when both efficiency and mobility are top priorities. Unimog U 2100 is not afraid of challenges and is always ready to face any terrain. This is one of the most powerful and impressive trucks I have ever seen, remaining durable and agile in all conditions. Now, this stump removal tool is a real game changer. With a design that optimizes leverage and force distribution, this machine helps remove tree stumps easily and effectively. The sturdy structure combined with a powerful hydraulic system allows it to work efficiently even with large tree stumps. In the midst of heavy snowfall at the Laurentides Wildlife Reserve, The Warta 415X still operates strongly, processing wood with high precision. Uprooting a tree stump 1 meter in diameter is not a simple job. With the help of specialized equipment and under Ivan's guidance, this job takes about 2 hours to complete accurately and efficiently. The Exact 1 mini lawnmower combined with the Kubota KX057 creates a powerful and effective combination for cutting grass and shredding vegetation. Burning trees to cut down trees is a traditional method, often used in some cultures to clear the land or clear the area before planting new trees. However, this method also has serious environmental impacts if not done properly. Be safe when you hear this noise. To clear the area of old trees and tree stumps is always a big challenge, because they are very difficult to remove by hand. However, Toyota Hilux has shown the ability to solve this problem effectively. Instead of pulling the stumps directly, the user decided to pull them out carefully using a winch. It was important to hook the strap correctly, and the results are impressive, proving that, with the right preparation and technique, the Hilux can overcome this challenge with ease. Imagine a giant metal bird with sharp blades cutting through tree branches in midair. That's a helicopter tree saw. Equipped with advanced forestry tools and specialized saws, helicopter tree saws are capable of trimming tree branches in areas that are difficult to reach by road. This method not only helps improve safety during operations, but also significantly enhances the scope and efficiency of forest management, making forest product exploitation more efficient than ever. Cutting the front of the tree to create a perfect hinge helps control the direction of the tree's fall, while minimizing the risk of the tree falling in the wrong direction. Safety is always the top priority in these jobs. Do you think this vehicle can pull such long and heavy tree trunks over this rough road? That depends a lot on the traction, control, and experience of the operator. my God, this is a real danger, almost like a scene from a movie. Thanks to the powerful lever mechanism, it easily uproots the tree as if it were nothing. Sharp, serrated edges cut through tree roots quickly, like a hot knife cutting through an avocado. If you have a reclamation project or need to clear land, this is definitely the ideal tool for you. Modern trucks and equipment move giant containers through urban areas, demonstrating the perfect combination of top-notch engineering and management. If you have ever had to transport a giant wind turbine blade, you will understand how difficult it can be. Thanks to human creativity, we can turn hard work into easier work than ever before. A breathtaking sight as the powerful snow train blows heavy snow off the tracks, creating a majestic scene of modern power and engineering. The sonic boom plane not only pushed the limits of speed, but also opened a new era for aviation. Why did he have to make an emergency landing in the sea like that? Look, it's so shocking. I don't think there is a route that crosses this river.